What's going on, everyone? Welcome. It's been a little while. I've taken the past couple of weeks off just to really do some trading on my own. It has been a very good couple of weeks of trading since Bitcoin has bounced back, and since it has actually gone to about 50K or so, that was where we hit quite a bit of resistance. And now Bitcoin has hit as low as almost about 39K here just from 2 days ago. Now let's see where Bitcoin can go from here. And of course, Bitcoin affects the rest of the markets in crypto. So let's see how this would affect the altcoins. Now, before I begin today, just want to mention my usual disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this topic. I do own quite a bit of the altcoins myself, so you might want to take what I say with a grain of salt. And always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. It is extremely risky and volatile. Now, if you guys do want to support me, I do have affiliate links in the description below to Webull, to TradingView, to Crypto.com. If you guys sign up using my affiliate link, I will also get a bonus as well. So I would much appreciate that. And that directly supports my channel. Now, I'm going to get started with this video. Let's see where this price action takes us, because it's been pretty treacherous in the market, to say the least. Let's see if Bitcoin bounces back. Could it hit 50K again and get past it this time? Well, let's all get started and actually take a look into it, okay? Now, Bitcoin currently, while I'm talking right now, is currently sitting right below 44K. That seems to be the daily resistance that I'm seeing right here at about 44K. What I'm really looking at here is the monthly time frame, because if you guys do notice, there are two pretty noticeable waves at every one of these quote-unquote cycles, right? But since the wave we've had back in earlier this year, we have not had that second wave here. So in my opinion, I still think, obviously I'm still bullish on the market until I'll get to a factor later that would decrease my and that would change my opinion as the probability of this bull run will continue. Okay, so I will get to that in 1 second. But right now, I'm still looking at the monthly time frame here, and I am still expecting that second wave here, right? As we have seen for the past 2 times here. Currently, we're at an RSI reading of about 64, and we have about 8 more days until this monthly candle closes. Now, with that said, going back to about July here, where we did have the rebound since that drop from earlier this year, Bitcoin did rebound from about 30K, slightly below 30K there. That was in July, late July, and then it ran up very quickly. So it went from about 30K to over 50K. That's almost a 70% increase in what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles in 8 weeks, 70% in 8 weeks. So that's a pretty crazy run up. So I'm not too surprised to see a drop like this and retest back into this previous support here, or previous resistance that's not support here. Now, if I actually my interest here on the time frame, on this weekly time frame, is the weekly 21 SMA here, right? We did get above that, and right now we have actually wicked down quite a bit down below that weekly 21 SMA, and now we see a pretty clear wick. But we still got about 4 more days left until this weekly candle close. So it's important to see what really could come of this on the weekly time frame. And earlier I did say I am still bullish on the market until if we start getting weekly candle closes below this weekly 21 SMA. I think, in my opinion, that would decrease the probability of this bull run continuing. Okay, if I see a weekly candle close below this weekly 21 SMA, I do think that would decrease the probability of this bull run continuing. And of course, if the weekly candles start closing below the weekly 50 SMA, then that would significantly change my opinion. But right now, I'm still bullish on the market right now. Let's take a look into the 4-hour time frame, where I do see a falling wedge pattern, which is generally a bullish reversal pattern here. Okay, the top trend line here is going to be about 46K if the price action does get back to this upper trend line here by September 24th. Of course, that's a big if it gets back there. Of course, if it gets back later, then there's going to be a lower price point. But if it gets back sooner than September 24th, then I can expect to see about just a price point of about 47K here. So that's what I'm really looking at. And of course, Bitcoin does affect the rest of the market, as I do keep saying. Bitcoin dominance here on the weekly time frame. Let's start here. This gets me a little. This kind of confirms my bullish opinion on this market so far, right? Because we are hitting that previous support. In fact, we have actually closed below that previous support of about 41%. We have closed as low as about 40.5% here, right? Even though we're getting some bullish divergence right now and Bitcoin dominance is above the daily 21 SMA again, this still tells me it's still pretty bullish on the markets. Of course, if Bitcoin actually drops below those weekly moving averages and Bitcoin dominance can actually trends back upwards, that's not going to be as good. So those are going to be some of the things I'm looking out for both Bitcoin and altcoins. I don't own Bitcoin. I do own quite a bit of the altcoins. So this is still my opinion for now. I will continue to make other videos, if time permits, but I am going to be focusing quite a bit on trading myself, just working quietly. But yeah, this is my update for today, and I hope you guys found this update helpful. And if you guys did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.